everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging. Yeah, today is just going to be a little bit of a festive one for you guys. I feel like we haven't done this since we went to Portsmouth. Been a while. A good old car vlog. So I'm now in the car with obviously Hannah. We're on our way to Gunwarf, Quays. To do a little bit of a mooch, a little shop, and then we are going to Winchester Christmas market, which should be good. I'm going to try and vlog in public today. But I say that every time and then it never happens, so we'll see how it goes. The camera away. Yeah. Do I want to go down? Yes. We're playing the game of find the space, find the green light.
Find the green blob.
Oh, there's one there.
Next to a big old shrub.
And then I'm lost here. Oh, will you get in there? Oh, it's quite cool.
Do we have faith?
You gotta have faith for faith for faith.
Christ,
I told you it was tight. I don't. Maybe go out forwards and.
I don't think I'm going to try. Thanks, honey.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh. No. Oh.
No.
Oh. Boom, mother trucker.
I'm in it.
Yes.
She's in the fucking sky.
Yeah! We're here! We made it!
We didn't die!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun.
So guys, we're now at Nero. We tried to go into all bar one. But it was just a bit bad in there really. So we've got a nice view of the Spinnaker Tower just here. It's a great view. And then just having a cheeky little coffee. We've just had a chocolate twist as well, which is like our standard. As soon as we get anywhere we're like coffee and chocolate twist.
Coffee and cake.
Coffee and cake. So if Nero want to sponsor me then please do. Any ads are welcome. So we've left Portsmouth. We stayed there for all of a coffee and a chocolate twist. It's just like not really our vibe, you know? It's like designer outlet stores and one we can't really afford any of it. Yeah. And it started to spit as well. And then we saw these police guys with machine guns. I'm sorry, but I ain't about that life. We're now going to Winchester. Fingers crossed it's not going to rain. It says it's not. Yeah, so I hope not because we need to get some tips. Yeah, we're just having a little bit.
Might do some.
Oh yeah, so we like when was that we were going to do this at Halloween?
Yeah.
We were going to do like Halloween baking, like cupcakes, like who can design the best cupcakes. And Zoella and Mark did it, and it's so funny, and we just like love Zoella and Mark so we're going to do a Christmas one. I think we're going to do that later on, which should be so much fun. That's how we spend a Saturday night. We bake cupcakes.
We don't go out anymore, we bake cake. What we got is big folks.
If Bradley Cooper sang this to me, I would put a ring on it.
No, I'd put a ring on it.
I'm on the deep end, watch as I dive in. I wish I got that in there. How she's trying. Do you know what, guys? I'm going to catch up with you when we actually park up and find a space. So we've made it to Winchester. We found the park and ride in the end. I'm vlogging in public, guys, okay. We're just heading towards the Christmas market. It looks so cute. Can't really see anything. Yeah, but you can see the lights. The lights are cute. It looks really, really busy. So we're going to have to just also try our best here But yeah, we made it. We made it, lads. We did it. We did it. We're currently hibernating under the ice rink entrance because it's raining. It's raining. It's so great. I'm loving my life so much. It's awful because I've just taken off my lipstick. We're just hiding the fact that we're really annoyed. So basically, Winchester was an absolute fail. We got there, we couldn't find the Christmas market, so I asked a random lady where the market was, and she told us, very nice lady, thank you, steps away from getting into the Christmas market, and it starts to rain. And like annoying, but light feathery, really wet rain. So we hid in the cathedral because the actual weather forecast said it wasn't going to rain. It rained quite a lot actually. Then we got hungry after about 2 minutes of walking around.
Continue straight to stay on M3.
So we went to Costa, had some lunch, and this is what happened. We're here now, driving home after about an hour. But we're festive! And I'm probably copyrighted.
Straight to stay on it.
Walking in a winter wonderland. No matter we can build a snowman. We'll pretend miles away.
So lovely. This sounds like Toy Story. All around wants to sink. Yeah. It's on the floor. What's it called? The scare floor. Yeah. Going into a little kid's house. Oh, I'm so done. Well done. Great job. Great job, guys. Oh, have a holly jolly Christmas. Hello everyone. Welcome to the very festive segment of this very festive vlog. I'll introduce what we're actually doing. We are making some cupcakes and then we're going to decorate them festive themed. It's going to be a competition to see who can make the prettiest.
Really thought this through. I feel like I'm on Bake Off.
We are. We're doing the showstopper. Why have you done this so awkward? I don't know, Rabbit. Do their aprons like proper professionals?
Yeah, I'm in the Bake Off tent. All the beards.
Oh, I feel very professional.
I feel like Mum. I'm just baking my cakes for the children's fair.
So I'm going to take some Alibor marshmallows.
Let me guess, white ones? Oh, how much do I need? A lot? Not that much. I can't even do this, you know. I know what you're drawing. What are you doing?
Anyway guys, these are edible pens. I'm not just drawing on the
Bye.
I'm going to do two.
Two people. Two snowmen. Mr. and Mrs. Frost.
These pens are actually really good.
Oh, for a little snowman. No. I'm going to do a little gingerbread paper.
You're sort of guessing what I'm going to do.
I have the big whisker.
Well, you have to wash the bowl out.
Yes. Where's your tip? Can I use this one? You're going to use it.
Alexa, play All I Want for Christmas Is You.
Play How Do You Make Macaroni?
Is You by Mariah Carey. It's starting now on Amazon Music.
Oh yeah, alright, no plugs, please.
Oh, butter everywhere.
We're just doing the finishing touches to our cupcake.
It's good. It's quite sick.
Oh, look how good. I'm just cutting out the one which has lost half its head. Oh no! Get off my snowman! No! Oh my god! It looks like its brains is coming out. Oh my god, we just won't show those, but these are cute at the front here.
I'm impressed, not gonna lie.
These look so cute. They're worthy of a good old pic. Look how good that is. I'm going to take that as a picture. The bake-off, as you have seen. We just now need to show them to my mum without the wine falling apart. Show them, put them this. Yeah. You're going to be the judge of the bake-off. You have to say which one's the best, and then you have to guess who made which.
Let's have a look at these lovely cakes. Is that all falling over? Why are you laughing, Hannah? I've got a feeling these might be Hannah's and these might be yours.
Okay, so which ones are the best? Which ones win?
I like the little faces, they're quite cute. I'm quite sure that stuff is on top of the little faces.
So which are your favourite?
Too many mistakes. You started your natural top.
I'm going to say these ones.
Sucker. These are supposed to be Santa hats, and but
Santa hats? They look like intestines. But look at the hard effort I made my chocolate star.
yeah, they are. I think Hannah's a really.
They are, they're the best. They're the best made. They're just the funniest.
So Hannah's wins.
Yeah.
Hannah's
I do
wins
like
technique.
The snowmen. They are
The
cute,
snowmen
but
are
this
cute,
thing at
yeah.
the back, I don't really know.
I don't. You can eat that one.
That was the best one, so.
Oh, it doesn't look bad.
I'm going to put them back in the fridge. They're melting. They're melting.
This is